How to fix login error in Acorn TV application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem on the application, you need to make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on a control center and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and is connected to a network that is actually working. By doing so, you shouldn't face any kinds of internet issues while logging into your account. However, if you're still facing any login errors, you want to go to your settings, scroll down and tap on General, tap on iPhone Storage, and you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the Acorn TV application. Tap on Show All, tap on Acorn TV, and simply offload the app from here. You want to reinstall the application again, and what this does is it deletes the application while keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any kinds of problem regarding your login. However, if you still face any kinds of problem, you want to simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.